Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to blacklist apps that are not in the Windows Store. So definitely in terms of trying to protect your security, it can definitely be advantageous to block apps that are being displayed in your start menu that are not from Microsoft or part of the Windows App Store. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on it one time. And now you want to left click on the gear icon on the left side where if you hover over it, it says settings. You want to left click on that. Now you want to left click on the apps tile where it says uninstall defaults optional features. So left click on apps. Where it says installing apps, choose where you get apps from. Installing apps only from the store helps protect your PC and keep it run smoothly. You might want to consider opening up this drop down menu here just by left clicking on it one time, and then left click on allow apps from the store only. You also have the ability to warn before installing apps from outside the store, which is the second option being displayed in here. So like I said, for this tutorial, we're just going to set it to allow apps from the store only. Once you've made that change, you should be good to go. You can close out of here. I would recommend restarting your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.